As a leading innovator, Festo has been setting new standards in automation technology for many years. We offer a broad product portfolio from individual parts to complex systems. For our consistent market orientation in product development, we need to have powerful target costing to support the introduction of new competitive products or the re-engineering of existing products.
It is important for us to make reliable statements about costs at an early stage, when we have to quickly assess costs based only on drawings. That's why we have chosen a costing solution that supports a bottom-up approach, so we can create the detailed depth and transparency to costs that we need in very early project phases. It is also important to have a high degree of flexibility in integrating with our ERP system, C&D environment and the global process landscape, along with support for the standardization of cost-relevant processes. With Teamcenter Product Cost Management, we have finally found a solution that meets all of these criteria. Today, we are able to create detailed product calculations and target cost derivations at the assembly and the part level, even in the crucial early stages.
Compared to previous products, we now achieve a cost reduction in the middle double-digit percentage range and significantly increase cost transparency through the use of Teamcenter. The improvements achieved are impressive and show that with Teamcenter we have the right solution for the target costing process.